And Chiraideo Maidam has been nominated to become Northeast India's first UNESCO World Heritage Site in the cultural category. Prime Minister Modi announced this nomination at the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee, which was held in July. Now, if accepted, Chiraideo Maidam will be India's 43rd World Heritage Site, joining Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park, which are already listed under the natural category.
It is a big day, it is a landmark day for the people of Assam, for the people of Northeast, as India gets its newest World Heritage Site, the 43rd site in India to be now accorded the prestigious tag of UNESCO World Heritage Site by UNESCO is Chiraideo Maidam in Chiraideo district of Upper Assam. Now Assam already has two other World Heritage Sites in the natural heritage category. The Kaziranga National Park and the Manas National Park are both World Heritage Site, but this is the first cultural heritage site that has been accorded the tag not only in Assam but in entire Northeast. So this is a big moment for the people of Assam, particularly of Upper Assam region, because the Chiraideo Maidam are not only a heritage site, but it is a symbol of identity, of history, of culture, of the great traditions of the Ahom kings, the Ahom dynasty, the people of Upper Assam, the Ahom community in particular of Upper Assam. And in fact, the Chiraideo Maidam dates back to the 13th century. These are the ancient burial site of the Ahom kings and the nobles of the Ahom kingdom at that point of time. These were made in such a way that the burials were underground, and on top of it you had the Maidam's very unique structures that have come up between the 13th to the 18th century. Many would call it the pyramids of Assam as well, but there are 90 odd such structures there conserved by the Archaeological Survey of India, and now has been conferred as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a great moment of pride for the people of Assam.